So if you've been wondering how to earn passive income with the Amazon Influencer Program, stick around. This conversation is going to be very enlightening for some of you. Some of you will say, it's not worth it, screw that, thanks for the clarity. And others will understand. If you've been in my world for any length of time, you know that I'm big on delayed gratification. That's why I have my virtual spiderweb consisting of my blog, right? There's nothing fast or quick about a blog, my Pinterest account, and I love teaching others how to build that sustainability over there on Pinterest. There's nothing fast about Pinterest, and YouTube. I shared in one of our groups last night that the most leads that our company is generating right now is coming from YouTube. But the purpose of this is to be very transparent. I am transparent to a fault. I am. My husband will tell people, like, she will even, if it's to her own detriment, she will still, I'm just wired that way. So the Amazon Influencer Program is obviously different than the Amazon affiliate program, which is called Amazon Associate. So let's talk about the two real quick. And I'm going to show you behind the scenes right now on Rich and I on our account. Just some cool stuff going on. As an Amazon Associate, right? That's their affiliate program. There's no fee to join. You can join for free. Pretty much anyone is accepted into that program. You are depending on you to drive traffic into Amazon for people to click on your links. When they do, they are cookied to you. That cookie is what sticks. That's what holds them to you for a 24-hour period. So what that means is if they click on a product for Post-it notes, right? Maybe you've put this on Pinterest or in a YouTube video or in a blog, wherever it is. Someone clicks on that. They now stay cookied to you for 24 full hours, and anything they buy on Amazon, you are going to get credit from Amazon's perspective saying, hey, whatever the revenue was within that 24 hours, you helped us create that. And so we're going to revenue share and give you a percentage of that sale. And that's called your commission, right? So the downside is you've got to be pushing your links out to your audience. You are responsible for driving that traffic into Amazon. If no one's clicking your links, no one's buying, right? You're not generating money. Amazon's not generating revenue through you. Where it gets really fun is the influencer program. So I've been an influencer on Amazon for about 2 years now, and I didn't know what I was doing. This is where the transparency fund comes in. I built my storefront. So as an influencer, you get to build out your own storefront, like your own aisles, things that you recommend, things that you use, things that you want to share with your audience. And when, again, as an influencer, you're automatically an affiliate. So you can still share links in your blogs, in your pins, in your YouTube videos. You can still do those things, right? People click on them, they're cookie to you for 24 hours. So everything we said about the associate program stands true for the influencer program. And when I say influencer, don't let that make you believe like, I'm not an influencer, so I'll never get approved for that. That's fake, false news. Before, back in the day, of course, Amazon cared about your follower count. I believe the only reason I got approved when I did is because I had 20,000 followers on my Instagram account. They approved me instantly. There's nothing impressive about that, right? What they care about today is how is your engagement? Because that's going to tell. You and I know. We don't have to be an influencer, but we all have influence over our inner circle. Okay, so we're all influencers. What they want to see is how is your engagement with your followers. So that's what they look at now when they determine if they're going to approve you for an influencer account. I am an affiliate. It's not my course. I didn't create it. I'm an affiliate for an amazing course teaching you exactly how to become an Amazon influencer, right? How to do that. They walk you through the setup. And I've thought about creating my own course, but in my mind, I'm like, hey, Why would I recreate something that they've already done an amazing, amazing job at? I'm going to tell you where things get interesting in just a moment. If you want information on the course, I'm going to link that down below. The course is $199 to invest in. Okay, so that's the first investment. Once you're in, there is a $25 a month fee to stay active. Now, a lot of people get mad at that. So that's why I need to tell you up front, that's there. If that's a deal breaker for you, it's okay. This is not going to be for everyone, but I want to show you what's going on with my account. I said I've had this influencer store for 2 years now. Haven't really done it right. I didn't really know that I could do what most influencers join for. And that is when you get a product, you can make a little review video and you upload that directly to Amazon as an influencer. So you never, if you don't want to, this is your choice, you never have to bother your social media followers with what you have going on Amazon. They never even have to know about it. You don't have to pin, you don't have to blog, you don't have to do anything if you don't want to. You could literally create your review videos, upload them to Amazon. And what happens, I'm going to go over to Amazon and show you, right? You're going to be mind blown. Like, this is so cool. What got me going, like really interested, is there's a student in the course that I am an affiliate for. That's the one I'm introducing you to. There is a student who just recently achieved $10,000 a month in commission, not revenue, in commission. What a lot of people don't know right here on Amazon is when you scroll down right here where it says product videos. Every single one of these videos get rotated out. So if we look on the right-hand side, you see these videos? These are all influencers who made a product review video, and throughout the day, they get rotated out right here. People do watch these, and people click on them. So if they click on your video last, they are now cookied to you on Amazon, and you make the commission for everything they buy in the next 24 hours. So Rich and I have committed to, we're going to consistently, once we heard that this woman was making 10 grand a month now, she achieved the 10 grand. I'm like, this is so stupid not to take advantage of this. We're already influencers, right? We've got that going on. So I want to be very transparent. I want to show you what's going on with our account. This is March 1st, 2026 through March 28th, 2026. So again, you can see the dates are here. They're real. They're relevant. It's current. I want to look at our earnings. We have earned commission to our pocket, $36.90. Not going to light the world on fire with $36, but you have to start somewhere, right? This girl who's earning $10,000 a month, she had to start somewhere. She had to start at 5. But what happens is every video that you upload where it stays on that product page, that's working for you 24/7, 365 while you're out doing what you do. When people click on your videos, that's why I'm showing you right here where it says earnings off Amazon. This means we've earned $2.23 from our affiliate links. That could be someone clicked on a link of mine in a Pinterest pin, in a blog of mine, on my podcast or YouTube video, right? I have an Amazon link out there. It earned us $2.23. Where things get really, really fun is on Amazon. So out of $36.90, 34 of it came from our influencer product review videos. Out of the revenue that came through our links, because I'm a big data person. I love numbers. I love data. I love to see what's working, what's not working. $1,346 in revenue is what came through our links or videos, right? So what that tells Amazon is every once in a while, Amazon will give us bonuses. And I just got a new one this morning for the month of April. So the bonus says something like this. Hey, if you have $500 in shipped revenue for this month, in my case, it's April, which doesn't start till tomorrow, we're going to give you a flat fee for $15 on top of your commission, right? So the bonus gets higher and higher with the revenue. As the revenue grows, so does your bonus. So this month, if I had that bonus, $1,346 would have gotten me probably, a $50 or $60 bonus. So we've had 488 clicks to our links or our videos and 38 products shipped. Now your commission updates when the product ships. Once it's shipped, boom, you see your commission update. This was taken 3 days ago. All right. Today, at the time of this recording, today is, what is today? Tuesday. Tuesday, March 31st. This was taken 3 days ago on Saturday the 28th. Now I'm going to go over a screen. Just again, full transparency. This image on the left is the image we just looked at together. 3690, blah, blah, blah. Okay. This image was taken yesterday. Yesterday was Monday, March 30th. You can see the dates are there. Our earnings jumped from 3690 up to 4312. So our off Amazon, those are our affiliate links. Again, right? It was 223. It's still 223. So our earnings are jumping. Why? Because of the on Amazon videos. So in 2 days, we jumped from $467 up to $40.89. And we did about $300 more in revenue, right? We went from 488 clicks up to 513. I like to check this daily because you're going to see as those products ship, things keep changing, numbers keep shifting. But also, again, as the data-driven person that I am, you might not be, and that's okay. That's why I wanted to break this down for you so that all the people who have been like, I really, really, really want to earn, I'm not joking. If we look at my blog, the top performing blog articles for 2025, the top 3 were all how to make money on Amazon. This is a very, very hot topic. There's a lot of people who want to earn passive income from Amazon. I'm giving you exactly what you need to accomplish that goal, but I can tell you, most people come into this course and then they say, oh, I have to pay $25 a month to stay active. I'm out. Well, if you choose to become an affiliate of the course like I am, obviously you earn commission every time you sell a course and someone steps in. But how cool that you're helping people get started and start to compound. Let's look at this morning. Okay. So again, full transparency all the way at the left, there's the same 3690. Here's the 4312. This morning, we've jumped up to 5209. The same 223 is from the affiliate links. This is the difference between being an associate and working super, super hard on your socials, on your blogs, your pins, your YouTube videos versus making those product review videos consistently. My husband and I are dedicated to uploading 3 videos every single day of the week. It doesn't take any time at all. It really doesn't. Each video you create should be between 45 seconds to 60 seconds. That's a great amount of time. Not hard to do at all. And you can see that our on Amazon, those are the affiliate product review videos, have now jumped up to $49. So it's increased by $9 since yesterday. And now we're at $1,973 shipped revenue. So what that tells us is even though we're consistently uploading those videos, all the videos we've recorded in the past, those compound. These aren't going anywhere. And eventually our goal is to reach 10,000 a month on Amazon. And I'm dedicated to taking you on that journey with me because you might be intrigued and say, you know what, this is a low stress way that I can still hang out with my family. I can still do the things. I need the flexibility. I don't want to get another job or I don't want to get a job out of the house. Here you go. And again, I'm being honest. Yes, the course is $199. Yes, I could have created my own and not charged $25 a month. You can cancel whenever you want. But Why would you want to break away from a community? The course is already created. And let me tell you, she did an amazing job, because when I heard that this girl earns 10K a month, that's what made me go look into the course. And I'm like, I've had this thing under my nose the whole time and I've never plugged in. I started to plug in and I said, dang, she does a very, very good job at teaching. I learned things right away, and these review videos were one of the things that I learned. I had no idea. I was just building my storefront and leaving it at that, putting it in my blogs, my podcasts, right? My pins. So since then, it's just been a couple weeks now. We're doing 3 videos a day, and you could see the results right there for yourself. It's getting bigger every single day. Like I said, come on in. You can watch the course. You can become a promoter of the course like I am if you want to. And you can go through the course. You can cancel that membership, so you don't have to invest $25 a month. But I will tell you, inside of the community, there's over $11,000 of additional trainings. Many, 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 many other great courses just like this one. If you want to release your own book on Amazon KDP, which is Kindle Direct Publishing, if you want to learn how to create your AI twin, if you want to learn TikTok, all the courses are in there. And that's what the $25 a month for, is to help you stay active so that you can go through those at your own time, at your own pace, learn the skill. But for me, I'm very serious. Rich is very serious. We're digging our heels in to the Amazon influencer opportunity, and we are dedicated to bringing you along on this journey, because it's really, really fun to see the numbers grow. But it's been more fun to watch the growth that my husband has had. He didn't want to do a video at first. He was very scared. He didn't want to listen to his own voice. If I'm uploading a video that he created, he's like, do that when I'm not around, because I don't want to hear my own voice. Now he's like, I don't care. And it reminds me of when I started my business in 2015. It's been 11 years since I've had my business from home. I started doing Facebook Lives in 2015. And I used to have to make sure that my hair and my makeup were perfect. I used to go down the hall to my office, shut the door, roll up a towel like a tight burrito, and stick it under the door, because I didn't want Rich to hear me. We're all so shy, right? And then it gets to a point let's do this. Let's do this. And Rich is so cute. He's now, we eat dinner together as a family every single night. We pray together before our meal, and he does now add the Amazon things as part of his gratitude in his prayer. So it's super, super cute. If you do want details on the course, or if you have any questions for me about the associate or the influencer program, I'm very happy to answer those questions. But what I won't do is I'm not going to release my own course. I am going to continue to promote the one that I know it is already working for so many people. It's huge. There's no stone left unturned. And there is an amazing Facebook community where the creator of this course hops on Zoom multiple times a week, answers your questions, and we're just in there supporting each other, cheering each other on, celebrating wins, and answering questions. All right. So if that's for you, I'd love to see you in the course. I'd love to celebrate you and your Amazon journey. And if not, I get it. It's not for everyone. That's what I said at the beginning. So, all right, my friend, have a great day. And I will definitely talk to you soon. Stay blessed and stay well. Bye for now.